They didn't shut it down. They murdered it.
Almost there. Don't let them catch me first. Not today. You don't get to bury this.
Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to create AI-generated images, cinematic videos, and consistent AI characters, then today's video is for you. Today we're exploring Mage Space, so let's start by opening our browser and searching for Mage Space. Once you log in, you'll be taken directly to the dashboard. Mage Space is an all-in-one AI creative platform where you can generate images, videos, AI characters, and even complete cinematic stories, all from one place. One of the things that makes Mage Space stand out is the creative freedom it offers. If you want to create mature or uncensored content, the platform includes a mature mode option. For this tutorial, we'll stay completely within YouTube's content guidelines while demonstrating the available features. Another great feature is privacy. By default, everything you generate is private. Your creations remain visible only to you unless you choose to publish them. Mage Space also supports multiple AI models, making it easy to create everything from high-quality images to cinematic AI videos without switching between different platforms. If you're a frequent creator, the unlimited plan starts at just $10 per month. And if you prefer faster generations, you can use gems for priority processing. Now let's log in and see how to create a complete cinematic story starting with a single AI character. If you'd like to try Mage Space yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. After logging in, you'll see the welcome screen where you can choose whether to create an AI character, AI image, or AI video. We'll begin by selecting character, because we'll use the same character throughout this tutorial in Story Studio and Cherry Pro to maintain perfect face consistency. Let's click Character to get started. Once we select Character, we're taken to the onboarding screen. Here, you can either create a brand new AI character or choose one you've already created. Since we're building a complete workflow from scratch, I'll create an original character that we'll use throughout this tutorial for image generation, Story Studio, and Cherry Pro videos. This helps maintain consistent facial identity across every scene. Let's click Create Character. Now we're inside the character builder. This is where we'll design our original AI character first. You can upload a reference image if you already have one, or generate an entirely new character using AI Next. Let's fill in the character details. I'll name my character Nova. In the description, I'll define Nova's appearance, personality, and overall style. The more detailed your description is, the more consistent your generated results will be. You can also add tags to organize your characters and make them easier to find. Later, voice is optional, so I'll skip that for this tutorial. Another important feature is privacy. By default, every character you create is private, meaning only you can access it unless you decide to publish it. Now that everything is ready, let's click Create. Now our AI character has been created successfully. Next, we'll move into Story Studio, where we'll use this character to generate an entire cinematic story. I'll open Story Studio from the left sidebar. Now we're inside Story Studio. This is where we can transform our AI character into a complete cinematic experience. Since we haven't created any stories yet, you'll see a No Story Yet message. Let's click Create a Story to begin. Story Studio is now open. First, we'll select the character we just created so every scene maintains consistent facial identity. Reference images are optional, but because we're already using a saved character, consistency is maintained automatically. Next, I'll paste in my story prompt. This prompt will be used to generate the entire screenplay. Now let's configure the project settings for the model. I'll choose Cherry Pro, which produces excellent cinematic storytelling results. I'll set the resolution to 720p, giving us a good balance between quality and generation speed. For the aspect ratio, I'll choose 16:9. Then I'll select the story duration and decide how many scenes I want the story to include. You'll also notice the estimated credit cost displayed before generation, so you always know what the project will require. Everything is ready. Let's click Write Script. With a single click, Story Studio has transformed my idea into a complete cinematic screenplay. On the right side, every scene has already been generated automatically. Each scene includes detailed prompts, camera directions, character actions, and dialogue. If you want, you can edit any scene to customize your story further. I'm happy with the generated screenplay, so I'll keep everything as it is. Now let's convert the screenplay into visual scenes by clicking Generate Scene. Story Studio has now generated every scene. At the top, you can see the project information, while on the right you'll find the same character we created earlier attached to the project, ensuring face consistency throughout the entire story. Below, every scene is organized individually with its own prompt and preview. You can edit or regenerate any scene whenever needed. On the right, you can preview each generated scene instantly by clicking the play button. Once everything looks good,
Almost there.
you can click Save All to save your project or post, all to publish every scene directly from Story Studio. The entire workflow happens inside a single platform. Let's preview the final result.
That's not civilian broadcast, that's the dead tower.
They didn't shut it down. They murdered it.
Almost there. Don't let them catch me first. Not today. You don't get to bury this.
Welcome back. We missed you.
As you can see, the output looks impressive. The character remains consistent across every scene, and the overall cinematic quality is excellent. Beyond Character Builder and Story Studio, Mage Space also includes a powerful collection of AI apps. You can improve image quality with Image Enhancer, upscale videos using Video Enhancer, instantly change outfits with Outfit Swap, refine existing characters using Character Builder Plus, and use multiple reference images with the reference feature to achieve even more consistent results. Everything you need for different creative workflows is available in one platform. Another major strength of Mage Space is its extensive AI model library. Whether you're creating images, videos, or animations, you'll find a wide selection of models designed for different creative styles. Models like Mango 3.1, Cherry Pro, and many others allow you to choose the best option for your specific project, all without leaving the platform. One of Mage Space's biggest advantages is the creative flexibility it provides. If you want to create mature or uncensored content, you can enable mature mode with a single click. The platform also lets you control content ratings, from G all the way to M+, allowing you to customize the experience based on your preferences. You can even individually enable or disable specific content categories such as suggestive, nudity, violence, and NSFW. This gives creators complete control over what they want to view or generate. And remember, everything you create remains private by default until you choose to publish it. Mage Space gives you two ways to generate content. If speed is your priority, you can use gems for faster processing. If you're a high-volume creator, the unlimited plan starts at just $10 per month, making it an excellent value for creators who generate content regularly. Don't just imagine your ideas. Bring them to life with Mage Space. From AI character creation and cinematic storytelling to powerful AI models and unmatched creative freedom, everything you need is available in one platform. Check out the link in the description to get started. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.